series combination is known as voltage divider, because here we seen, suppose we take for two resistor and a potential difference is applied. So this some voltage is applied here. This is R1, this is R2, and this put the V1, this is V2. Since V is equal to V1 plus V2, it means a portion is divided here, a portion of applied voltage is divided here. So we get to say V1 is equal to I1 R1 and V2 is equal to I2 R2, or V is proportional to R. This already we have seen. Now let us see V1. What is V1 divided by V2? V1 divided by V2 is equal to I1. I1 is nothing but I, because the current in series circuit current is same. I1, I2 is equal to I. That is I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I for series combination. Series combination of resistors. I by R1 divided by I by R2. So V1 by V2 is equal to R1 by R2. R1 by R2. This is, we will keep this is as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Second thing is V is equal to V1 plus V2. V is equal to V1 plus V2. What is V1? It means V is equal to V1. In place of V1 we can write R1 by R2 into V2. That is, in place of V1 we have written plus V2. Therefore V is equal to R1 plus R2 plus 1 into V2. That means V is equal to R1 plus R2 by R2 into V2. Or what about V2? V2 is equal to, from here, V2 is equal to V2 from here. V2 is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into V. This is voltage across. This V2 is this one. So this is very handy for calculating quick calculation. Same way, again we will take V is equal to V1 plus V2. Earlier we have substituted for V1. What is V? We have substituted for V1 in terms of V2. V1 in terms of V2. Now what is V2? V1 plus V2. Now what is V2? Here V2 is equal to, so this is equal to V1 plus V2. V2 is equal to V1 R1 by R2 is equal to R1 by R2 is equal to 1 plus R1 by R2 into V1 is equal to V, or V is equal to R1 plus R2 divided by R2 into V1. Or we can say V1 is equal to V1, already V1 is equal to, so this will be, what is V1 by V2? V2 is equal to R2 by R1. R2 by R1, that is R2 by R1 plus R2 divided by R1. Or V1 is equal to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 into V1. So V2 can be written as R2 by R1 plus R2 into V2. See, in writing this equation, how will proceed this equation? V1 means V will come here, V will come here, V will come here. V1 also V, V2 also V. For V1, R1 will come, V2, R2 will come. Divide by addition of these two resistors. Very simple. We have to, this we can easily calculate. We can, in a short way, we can calculate. Suppose, what is the value of V1? The value of V1 is this much. What is value of V2? V2 value of this much. So this will come very fast. We can calculate in the competition examination. Potential difference of 6 volt is applied across AB. So this is A, this is point B. 6 volt is applied across B. It means that 6 volt is divided as V1, here V2 and here V3. First we have seen V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to V. It means the voltage, applied voltage is divided among all the 3 resistors. Second thing we said I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3, which is nothing but I. So if the current is flowing like this, same current will flow and same current will come here. As it is, V1 is equal to I R1, V2 is equal to I R2, V3 is equal to I R3, or V R equivalent. For series combination, R equivalent is equal to sum of all the resistance. And here see, V is equal to V1 plus V2 V3. It means V is, what is V? V is equal to I into R equivalent. From all these 3, we have come to V is proportional to R1, V2 is proportional to R2, V3 is proportional to R2, because this constant and this is constant. As it is, we have seen V is proportional to R. In this case, V is proportional. In general, V is proportional to R. It means V1 is proportional to R1. R1 is, that is 1 ohm. V2 is proportional to R2. R2 is equal to 2 ohm. And V3 is proportional to 3 ohm. And V is proportional to R. V is proportional to R equivalent. So, what you find the potential drop? This is potential drop across R1, potential drop across R2, potential drop across R3. Potential drop in 1, 2, 3. It means we can say V1 is to V2 is to V3. V1 is proportional to its respective resistance is equal to 1 is to V2 is proportional to 2 and this is proportional to 3. This is the answer. The answer is, I think, yes, C is the answer.